you are in your 30s and thinking, maybe I just need supplements now, maybe probiotics are the only solution left, pause. Before you spend money on another supplement, you need to understand this. Because most gut issues in your 30s are not due to deficiency, they are due to imbalance. And very often, the first solutions are already in your kitchen. This video is not to influence you. It is actually to de-influence you from what the internet keeps convincing you to buy. And stay till the end because I'll explain why supplements sometimes don't even work the way you expect them to. Hi, I'm Dr. Kavisha, Ayurvedic doctor and founder of Salva Health Stays. Your 30s are confusing because you're not careless anymore. You're actually trying. You're choosing healthier options, you're reading labels, reducing junk food, and trying your best to stay healthy. And still, you feel bloated after simple meals. Acidity appears randomly, constipation becomes frequent, your digestion feels unpredictable. And that's when supplements start feeling like the only option or the only support. But Ayurveda asks a different question. Instead of asking what nutrient is missing, Ayurveda asks how strong is your Agni or your digestive fire. If your digestion is weak or irregular, even the best diet or supplement won't absorb properly. Now let's get practical. Here are time tested Ayurvedic kitchen support that are still clinically relevant today. For acidity, bloating, and indigestion, or any gut related issue, the modern go to is probiotics and digestive enzymes. But the Ayurvedic kitchen support can be CCF water, that is, cumin, coriander, or fennel decoction. This combination is widely used in Ayurvedic practice to gently regulate digestion. Jeera or cumin supports digestive fire and reduces gas formation. Dhana or coriander helps cool excess heat and supports proper digestion. Sauf or fennel soothes acidity and reduces bloating. Together, they balance digestion without being too heating or too cooling. How to prepare it? Take half teaspoon of each. Dhana, jeera and sauf, that is cumin, coriander and fennel, half teaspoon in powder form. Soak it overnight in 1.5 glass of water. In the morning, boil it for 2 to 5 minutes until it reduces to 1 glass and drink lukewarm empty stomach. Simple, balanced and time tested. For constipation, the modern go-to is fiber powders. The Ayurvedic kitchen support is cow's ghee in warm water. For mild dryness related constipation, take 1 teaspoon of cow's ghee in a glass of warm water on an empty stomach in the morning. In Ayurveda, ghee helps lubricate the intestines and balance the vata, supporting a smoother, natural bowel movement. Simple, gentle, and effective. Gut weakness and low immunity. The modern go to is vitamin C supplements. The Ayurvedic support, Amla. Amla is described as a Rasayan herb or rejuvenation herb. It supports digestion, immunity, and tissue nourishment all together. It is naturally rich in antioxidants. It also supports gut lining and it supports your health. It can be taken fresh or as a diluted juice or powdered, ideally under proper guidance. Now, here's the part most people miss. I am not anti supplement. Supplements have their time and place, especially in diagnosed deficiencies. But if digestion is inefficient, you cannot out supplement poor absorption. That's why some people take probiotics for months and still feel bloated. Ayurveda focuses first on improving the digestive efficiency. So, whatever you consume actually works. So, before you click on add to cart again, pause and ask yourself, have I supported my digestion first? Because sometimes healing doesn't begin in a capsule, it begins in your kitchen. And if this gave you clarity, share it with someone who needs to watch this before buying another supplement.